In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Amazon Prime Video from your mobile to your laptop so you can enjoy movies and shows on a bigger screen. First, open the Prime Video app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the right Amazon account because you'll need the same account on both devices. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, then go into Settings. Scroll down until you see My Account, then tap Manage Account. If your Amazon account is active there, you're all set on mobile. Now move over to your laptop. Open a browser like Chrome or Safari, type in primevideo.com and hit enter. At the top right, click Sign In and log into the same account you used on your phone. If you're already signed in, just double check your profile to confirm. From there, click your profile icon again and choose Account and Settings. Go into the Devices tab. This is where you can see all devices linked to your Amazon account. If your laptop isn't listed, it will be registered automatically once you log in through the browser. If it is listed, you're good to go, and that's really it. Now both your phone and laptop are linked to the same Prime Video account. You can stream directly on the laptop while still managing your account through your mobile. To recap quickly, open Prime Video on your phone, confirm your account in Settings, log into the same account on your laptop, and check the Devices tab. Now you're ready to enjoy Prime Video on a bigger screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.